everyone, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a review on this product here, which I hope you can see. I think it's reflecting a little bit. So this is the Mecca Cosmetica Kissable Lips Smoothing Lip Exfoliant. So for reference, this one is a 12ml container and this retails for $28 and is sold in Mecca in Australia. So just giving you a close-up, this is what the product looks like. So basically this is a lip exfoliator, which is so handy, to be honest, if you have really dry lips. I can't believe like what this product can do for you, but we will get into that shortly. I just want to read you about the product from the website to give you the exact information about it. So also, just a side note, this is cruelty-free, it's hydrating, brightening and sulfate-free. And what it says about it, it says the Kissable Lips Soothing Exfoliate gently buffs and exfoliates to smooth and soften dry, flaky lips. Using sugar granules, the oil-based formula perfectly preps lips for lipstick and gloss application. It's a lip-changing makeup bag must-have. You'll wonder how you lived without it. Now, I am not a big like lipstick wearer at all, to be honest, but I can say in the colder months in Australia, I really struggle with like dry skin, cracked lips, which both of those actually become really quite painful for me. Now this is a winter game changer for me. To be honest, if someone told me use an exfoliant on your dry lips, I'd be like, no way, it's too painful already. I'm not like scrubbing it. However, this I find is so amazing to get rid of the dead skin and then apply like a really hydrating lip gloss or like a lip balm, so the product can actually soak into my lips and get more moisture in it that way, if that makes sense. So I like 100% recommend definitely checking this out. The scent of this, now to be honest, it's not a great scent. It kind of like smells like, what would you say, like a plasticky like oil type scent. Like, I don't know how else to explain it, but it's a really thick consistency. I don't know if I can show you, like super thick consistency like that. And you've just got to like take a clump and then literally rub it on your lips. You can also rub it together on your lips as well, and it's just like literally like, it's so good. Because also, sorry, I've now put it all over my lips. So it's sugar granules, so you can also eat it. Like, it's safe if you ingest it, which is always a great thing. Like, you don't want to have to worry about, oh my god, that just went in my mouth. So I really appreciate that as well. And basically, as you scrub the sugar, it's also, as it said, oil based, so you are putting moisture into your lips with that, and then you can also add extra moisture after. But yeah, if you haven't checked this out, this one I really recommend you should. Like, I found it so helpful for me, and I could only imagine, you know, if you do wear lipstick quite a lot, this would be perfect to add to your little routine to get, you know, really smooth lips so you get a better makeup application as well. I can totally see that that would be so good for it. But yeah, let me know your thoughts if you've tried this one or if you've tried other lip exfoliants and what you think like is a good one to try out next. And as always, I hope you found this helpful, and I will see you in my next video very soon. Thanks again.